Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure the OneDrive client and OS are up to date, because outdated clients cause protocol mismatches. Once done, check available cloud and local disk space and free at least 500 MB so sync can proceed. Then sign into the intended Microsoft account. Switching accounts mid-sync creates conflicts. These first actions remove common blockers and give you a clean baseline to run targeted repair steps next. Now you diagnose, pause and resume syncing to force a status refresh, and write down any error codes because they guide the fix. Next, use the OneDrive app to view files online. This verifies remote state, and if necessary unlink, then relink your account to rebuild settings. If problems persist, perform a client reset with the provided reset command. This clears cached metadata without harming cloud data. After reset, sign back in and monitor the client as it reindexes and resume. Finish by confirming selective sync includes the folders you need, because deselected folders won't download. Then resolve file conflicts, rename the local file or move it temporarily, and let OneDrive recreate the synced copy. This prevents sync loops. If syncing still stalls, collect diagnostics via OneDrive's report tool and review logs for persistent error codes. One key tip: when nothing helps, test with a small new file in the synced folder. Success narrows the issue to specific files or permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.